All right, I'm constantly hearing from my coaching clients that they are working on their business all the time, like 24 hours a day. They're never working on the things that they're passionate about. They're never outputting the things that ignite them, that fuel them. Maybe it's the relationships with people. Instead, they're plugging away behind their computer like, come on, I could do this. If I do this, this will work. If I do this, this will work. You guys, that's not real life, okay? I want you to experience flow personally. Of course, I'm all about mind, body, and soul alignment. It's so important. I believe in centering, not balance these days, because balance truly doesn't exist. But I want you to experience that same happiness, that same state of joy in your business. And you can do that professionally by setting up the right foundational systems to do so. My experience with this specific system is going to not only catapult your business, it's going to allow you to have freedom in your life so you can really stay in your zone of genius. Do you even know what your ZOG is? Do you know what ZOG means? Zone of Genius. I'll teach that another time, but right now I am so thrilled to come to you live. It's not going to be a recorded webinar. You get me, so you're going to have actual opportunity to ask me questions that apply specifically to you so that I can answer and fill in the blanks for you. I don't want you running on a rat wheel. It's time for us to embrace our flow so that we can truly do what we love, what we're passionate about, what brought us to the table for business in the first place. I'm really pumped to meet you if I don't know you already, and I'm just gonna be your biz bestie, so nice to meet you. Again, my name is Tamra Andress. You should know that by now, but let's jump on this. Let's do it. Let's take advantage of today and truly create flow. And I'm gonna do that a little bit right now as we flow out of here. All right, I'll see you soon.